here I have a rational equation I want to solve. First, I want to get rid of all the denominators. It's easier to see what our LCD is, our denominator, if we have everything factored. So see how v squared minus 4. So v squared minus 4, I notice, is difference of squares. So that can factor to v plus 2, v minus 2. So now that it's factored, it's probably easier to see that my LCD, or what I have to multiply by to get rid of all the denominators, is I have to multiply both sides by v plus 2, and I have to multiply both sides by v minus 2. Works out really nicely over here because both factors cancel, and here v plus 2 cancels. So I'm left with negative 48 equals negative 2v times v minus 2, what's left over there. And so I have to distribute this. So negative 48 equals negative 2v squared plus 4v. And then if I look, see how this is a squared, so it's quadratic. So I'm going to probably try to factor, which means maybe I should add 48 to both sides so that it's equal to 0. And so if I could factor this, negative 2v squared plus 4v plus 48, I could have some solutions to this possibly. So I notice it's weird that I have this negative out front. I also notice they all have a 2 in common, so I can either divide both sides by negative 2 or I could factor it out. Since it's a 0 over here, notice dividing by negative 2 will still keep it 0, so it's not a big deal if we want to just get rid of that instead of leaving it factored out in the front. So if I divide everything by negative 2, be careful to do everything. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1v squared. 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2v. And 48 divided by negative 2 is negative 24. So now this looks like it'll factor a lot nicer or easier. Something that multiplies to negative 24 and adds to negative 2. v minus 6v plus 4. So I have two possible solutions here. V is negative 4 or 6. And I want to check back at my original equation and make sure those are actually numbers I can put in there. If I look at the original equation, it seems like the only numbers I can't put in are negative 2 and 2. So both of these can work as solutions. Probably still a good idea to check them by plugging it in, but you know that they're at least in the domain.